Hi guys, welcome back to Math with OG. In this video, we'll be looking at percentage increase and decrease. Now, just like your percentage error, it has a formula which you can work with. Your percentage increase is always equal to the increment over original times 100%. And your percentage decrease is decrease over original times 100%. For example, you are working in an office, your salary is 1,000 naira. After 2 months, they increase your salary to 1,200 naira. The question, what is the percentage increase? The percentage increase is simply the increment in your salary all over your original salary multiplied by 100%. Now, what is the increment in your salary? 1,200 minus 1,000 over original salary was 1,000 multiplied by 100%. 1,200 minus 1,000 is simply 200 over 1,000 multiplying 100%. Now, I believe that you know that zeros can cancel out. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0, and 0 cancel 0. So this will give us 20%. So a salary increasing from 1,000 to 1,200 is simply an increase by 20%. Similarly, 1,000 naira before, you were behaving rudely in the office, so they reduce your salary to 800. What is the percentage decrease? After reducing your salary to 800, percentage decrease will be 1,000 minus 800 all over original salary of 1,000 multiplied by 100%. If you do your math correctly, you will still be getting a 20% decrease in salary. A 20% decrease in salary. So that is for percentage increase and percentage decrease. Now there's still another part of percentage increase and decrease where you are asked to find the new value after an increment by a particular percent, or you are asked to find the new value after an increment by a particular percent. For example, you are told your salary was originally 1,000 naira. We want to increase your salary by 20%. What will be your new salary? You are to have an increment on your salary by 20%. What will be your new salary? So since we are increasing your salary by 20%, your new salary will be equal to 100 plus 20% multiplied by your original salary, which was 1,000 naira. So this will give us 120% multiplying 1,000 naira. 120% is simply 120 over 100 multiplying 1,000 naira. 0 cancel 0, 0 cancel 0. 120 times 10 is simply 1,200. So as you can see, we are now told that we're increasing salary by 20%, and you see that the new salary is 1,200. Same thing that we got here. If my salary was increased by 1,000, if my salary was increased to 1,200, it was a 20% increase. So if I increase 1,000 by 20%, my new salary will be 1,200. So that's that for this formula. And you might be asking yourself, how does this formula work? I'm increasing my salary by 20%. Originally, my salary was 100% of itself. My salary was 100% of itself, and that was 1,000 naira. My salary was originally 100% of 1,000 naira. So an increment of 20% means I want to add 20% of 1,000 naira to my salary, which was 100% of 1,000 naira. So as you can see, 100%, 1,000 can be factored out, though we've not got into factorization, but I believe most of you understand that. So 1,000 can be factored out. I'll be left with 100% plus 20% multiplied by 1,000 naira. Or solve separately, 100% of 1,000 is 1,000. So this was our original salary. Now we now have an increment of 20%. So what is 20% of 1,000? Is simply what? 200. It means that they want to increase my salary by 200 naira. So 1,000 plus 200 will give us 1,200. Similarly, if your salary is reduced by 20%, what will be your new salary? Plug in your 20% here. 100 minus 20, that is 80%. 80% of 1,000 naira will give you 800 naira, which we use in getting 20% what decrease. Remember here we got a 20% decrease, and here we got a 20% what increase. So that's that for these formulas. I believe that they are quite straightforward. Now let's use the formula to solve these two questions here. First question, an industry produced 32,500 spare parts in July and 33,150 spare parts in August. What is the percentage increase? Straightforward. What is the percentage increase? So let's plug it into our formula. Our percentage increase is simply increment. Okay, let me make this easier by just putting percentage increase. It's simply increment. And what is the increment? From 32,500 to 33,150. So I can write here 33,150 minus 32,500 all over the original, which was 32,500, multiplying 100%. Now 33,150 minus 32,500, let's do the mathematics here. 33,150, 32,500. This will give me 0, a 5, 1, this is a 6, 2, this is 0. Okay, I think we just have 650, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that's 650. So we have a 650 over 32,500 multiplying 100%. So I believe these two zeros will cancel out these two zeros. Now let's go with 5. 5 into 32 is 6, remainder of 2. 5 into 25 is 5. Then 5 here, I think is 13. 5 into 6, 1 remainder 1. Okay, that's 13. 0. 65 here 1, 65 here 2. So my answer should be 2%. There was an increment of 2%. There was an increment of 2% in spare parts between July and August. The next question, a plot of land is 805 acres. As a result of disputes fighting for land, the plot is reduced by 10%. Find the new plot of land. So it simply means decrease 805 by 10%. So that is this approach. Decrease 805 by 10%. So if I'm to decrease 805 by 10%, okay, I'm looking for the right spot. Okay, let's do that here. Decrease 805 by 10%. So my new area of the plot is simply 100 minus 10% because I'm decreasing. If I was increasing, to be plus 10%, minus 10% multiplied by the original area of the land, which was what? 805 acres. So this new plot of land is now 90% multiplied by 805. So this will give us 90 over 100 times 805. 0 cancel 0. So I believe I can just do 805 times 9 and easily divide by 10. 805 times 9, this is 45. 5 carry 4. This is 0 plus 4. This is 72. So that is 725. 7245 over 10. So this is simply 724.5. So this is 724.5 acres. So because of dispute, the new area of the land is now 724.5 acres. So that is that for this. Now I believe I should just give you a type of questions that you can see in which you need to use this. You can see a question like this: increase 5 cm by 10%. Exam question: increase 5 cm by 10%. You work with this. It's simply 10 plus 100 will give you 110% multiplied by 5. That's your answer. 110 over 100 multiplied by 5. 0 cancel 0. 5 here 1, 5 here 2. 2 into 11 is simply 5.5. So if I increase 5 cm by 10%, my answer will be 5.5 cm. And it makes sense because 10% of 5 cm, 10% of 5 cm is 0.5 cm. So I'm to add that 0.5 cm since I'm increasing to this 5 cm, and that will give me 5.5 cm. But decrease 5 cm by 10% is simply 10% of 5 cm, which is 0.5. since I'm decreasing it by 10%, I will subtract that 0.5 from 5 cl, and that will give me 4.5. So that's all about percentage increase and decrease. But everything we are going to learn in percentage follow almost the same principle. The next video we'll be looking at profit and loss. That's your percentage profit and your percentage loss. You find that it follows almost the same principle that we'll be looking at. Then we'll get to discount, simple interest, compound interest, as the case may be. Thanks for watching this particular video. Don't forget to use the like button, use the subscribe button, and also use the share button. It's very important. And also feel free to leave your comments if there's anything you need to contribute or if there's anything you need to ask. Thanks for watching once more, and see you guys in my next video.